In today's competitive world, organizations face numerous challenges when it comes to maintaining high-quality standards and ensuring customer satisfaction. Quality issues can arise from various sources, causing delays, customer complaints, and even financial losses. That's why smart organizations choose the Qualityze 8D management solution to fix problems fast and prevent them from coming back. Team formation, problem description, containment action, root cause analysis, corrective action selection, action implementation and tracking, preventive measures, closure, and team congratulations. Simplify problem solving. Qualityze guides you through the entire 8D problem solving process, making it easy for your team to collaborate, identify root causes, and implement corrective actions. Centralized data. Say goodbye to scattered spreadsheets and emails. Qualityze provides a centralized platform to store and access all your quality data, ensuring transparency and visibility across your organization. Workflow automation. Qualityze automates your workflows, eliminating manual tasks and reducing human errors. It ensures timely notifications and escalations, keeping everyone on track. Real-time collaboration. With Qualityze, your team can collaborate in real time, share updates, and work together seamlessly, no matter where they are located. Advanced analytics. Gain valuable insights into your quality performance with Qualityze's advanced analytics. Monitor trends, identify recurring issues, and make data-driven decisions to improve your processes continuously. Built upon the world's most secure and reliable platform, Salesforce.com, Qualityze lets you record, manage, and mitigate enterprise-wide quality issues efficiently. It comprises exceptional features like configurable forms and workflows, predefined reporting templates, notifications, electronic signatures, dashboards, and reports. Ready to transform your QMS into a quality decision-making engine? Request your free demo now